Hello, today's topic?
At the airport.
Excuse me, could you direct me to the check-in area?
Sure, it's just past security to your left.
Thank you. Do I need to show my passport there?
Yes, you'll need your passport and your flight details.
Got it. How early should I aim to arrive before my flight?
It's recommended to arrive at least 2 hours prior.
Okay, that gives me time to grab a coffee.
Yes, there's a cafe near the check-in counters.
Perfect. After check-in, where do I go next?
You'll proceed to security, then to the departure gates.
Goka. Do I need to take anything out of my bag for security?
Yes, remove laptops and any liquids over 100 ml.
Understood. Should I keep my shoes on or off?
You'll need to take them off for the scanner.
Got it. What about my jacket and belt?
They should be removed and placed in a tray.
Thank you for the clarification. Where's the nearest restroom?
Restrooms are located throughout the terminal.
Great. I'll use the restroom before boarding.
Sounds like a plan. Have a smooth journey.
Vocabulary.
Airport. Check-in. Area. Security. Passport. Flight. Details. Arrive. Counters. Departure. Gates. Laptops. Liquids. Shoes. Scanner. Belt. Tray. Restroom. Terminal. Journey.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.